And now, WWE presents Royal Rumble.
Triple H wins. Triple H is going to WrestleMania.
Oh, no!
Triple H won the Royal Rumble. And now the United Kingdom's Celtic Warriors trying to prevent the game from making it to WrestleMania.
I think that's exactly what he's trying to do here. He doesn't want Triple H coming after him or Barrett at WrestleMania.
Monster. Somebody needs to put an end to the United Kingdom.
Oh no! Look at the strength of this guy.
High cross. The Celtic whoop. Well, look at Sheamus. Triple H has already sustained tremendous damage. But he can't do this. Here comes Cena. Sheamus just destroyed Triple H. But now it's time for Celtic Warrior to pay for his sins. Now it's time for him to face John Cena.
And Arn Anderson's going to watch this very carefully to ensure the United Kingdom doesn't interfere in any way.
Big move coming.
Oh, man! He landed right on his neck from that German suplex.
Very aggressive assault to the back.
Sheamus enjoys showing absolutely no remorse.
Last Monday on Raw, Cena, Edge, and Anderson teamed to take on the United Kingdom. And that collaboration led to the first loss for the UK in quite some time.
Well, and a big thanks has to go to the enforcer. The United Kingdom was just about to hit Edge with the World Heavyweight Championship, but Arn was there to stop it. And that was a big shot that just dropped Cena. That'll make your eyes water.
Sheamus patterns himself after the feared and barbaric Celtic warriors of the past.
Nice reversal. A great reversal by Cena. Ah, look at this.
Oh, gosh, right down on the kidneys. What is it about Sheamus that just makes him so strong?
Who knows? I know it works, though, whatever it is. Oh, no! Oh, a huge slam. Boy, he's really done his homework for this match.
That'll leave a mark. And John Cena's in complete control.
John Cena's taking this match to an entirely new level.
And I'm getting word now that, hang on, King, what should Cena be looking
The
at?
champ does it. Watch it.
Wow, that's got to be it.
Hey!
And there's the belly-to-belly suplex.
Like I said, those moves don't win the match in one go.
Cena drop toe hold, going for the STF, and Cena has it.
Oh, Sheamus is gonna tap.
Sheamus clawing like a wild dog, trying desperately to get to the ropes. And Cena's forced to break the hold.
Oh, wow, John Cena was so close to making Sheamus tap right there. Look out, Sheamus has a chair.
But there's the enforcer. And Cena's back to his feet. Cena going for the attitude adjustment.
What? What did Anderson just do?
Oh my gosh. King, Arn Anderson just cost Cena the match. Ladies and gentlemen, Arn Anderson has betrayed us all. right between the eyes.
Man, I think I'm gonna be sick.
This is disgusting.